Hi Anna, good morning.
Yeah, hi. Good morning. Okay. Now we will see first step. What is the first step? We identified the data source and we need to activate the data source. How do you know it is activated or not? Okay, this is the data source. I can able to see the records as well in RSA3 level. First, we need to check in whether it is activate or not. There is a one table resource. If you go here, somebody activated or not, you can see it. So in this table, you will come to know if you get two entries. Already somebody activated. Okay, clear? And then we need to delete the setup tables. So for deleting the setup tables, T code LBWG. So already somebody activated. I don't want to activate the data source. So that is the way I didn't go for RSFL. So what is my data transaction code to delete the setup tables? So this is sales, right? I'm selecting 11. So I'm deleting it. Once I delete, once I delete the setup tables, I don't get records into the RSA3 level. See here, I'm executing, getting 0 records. Clear? Once I delete the setup tables, I won't get any records in the RSA3 level. So we need to fill it again. How do you fill it? We have one T code for sales, OLI 7BW. This is the T code for OLI 7BW for sales, and just to change 7, and you can give only orders. Okay. And if you want to fill only specific sales address, you can give it sales address. And if you want to give any company code, you can give. If you want to give any sales order, you can give. So I'm filling total. So execute in background in the real time. If it is a test system, you can go for dialog job. This also you can execute it, but it is you cannot track it. The job is completed or not, we cannot track it. So I'm going for this one, background job. We can track the job, how much time taking, where is the problem. So real time also same like this screen will come. In the real time also same whatever you are seeing, all the things same only in the real time also. All steps will come. See, job is completed. What is the date today? 21. See, what is the time now? Go to systems. You can see the system. See, 12:13. So just 1 minute back. Okay. And now what we need to do, I'll go and check it here. My setup tables are completed, right? Now I can see 30 records. See, I can see 30 records. Last time we have 60 records. That means somebody filled two times. If you fill again, 60 records will come. Again, if you fill, 90 records will come. Again, if you fill, 120 records will come. So that is the way we need to drop the setup tables and we need to fill it. If I execute again, it will getting the data is double. Okay, we should not do like that. Okay, once you fill, so I'm checking it, it is working fine. So go to BW system. How do you replicate? RSDST code, this one. RSDST code. What is the system name? Select here.
Anna, I can't see your screen, Anna.
Oh, okay. Okay, sorry. Let me repeat again. Okay.
Okay, okay.
This is the ECC. So whether records are available or not, we will see here. So first step will go here. First step will go here. First identify the data source. First identify the data source. Then I have identified this is the data source. First we will, I'm checking it. Okay. I can see records. I'm deleting it. How do you delete? There is a one T code LPWG. So 11 application. So here you can see 11 sales, 12 delivery, 13 billing for deleting the setup tables. And this is purchasing and this is inventory. 2 is purchasing, 3 is inventory. Okay, remember these options. Interview, regularly they are asking. How do you delete the setup table for inventory, purchasing, sales, delivery, billing? Like that, they will ask you. So, once you enter LBWG, you need to give the number 11. So, I given it and I also deleted. So, after deleting the setup tables, will you see the records here? No, zero records you can see now. Okay, now how we have to fill the setup tables? Already, so I don't want to activate the data source because it is already active in mode. Okay. How do you know already active or not? Go to root source table, give your data source name. So I'm giving it. So if you found two entries, that means somebody already activated. Somebody activated. So no need to activate it. Just to use it. Okay. So I can see A and D. D means SAP delivered version. A means somebody activated. So no need to touch this one. No need to activate this data source. Already somebody activated. Clear? And after that, I will fill the setup tables. Now I don't have any records. I need to fill the setup tables because we need to get the historical data first time into BW and then go to what is the T code? OLA 7BW. So OLA 7BW, here I will give just orders. So just to change only 7, replace with 7. Okay, just to replacing with the, I'm giving future date. Okay, and execute in background. Execute in background. Don't, if you execute in background, you can track the job. See here, this is dialog job. You cannot track it. Even you can execute also, but you cannot track the job. So always go for in the real time execute in background. So enter. In the real time also same screens will come. One single screen also not missing. Okay, all same as it is will come. Okay, immediate. Copy this job. Oops. SM37. You can see bottom level SM37 cheat code. Now, see, I have executed today. See, this is 9 minutes, 7 minutes of difference. Just now I executed. Now go and check it. Now, the job is completed. Now just execute. See, 30 records came. Now we need to replicate into BW. Okay. We deleted the setup tables. Okay, see here. Activate the data source. Somebody already activated. I'm not going to activate it. Okay. If you want to maintain the data source, you can go LBW and you can maintain it. Okay. If you want to maintain any data source, you can go and maintain it. So just now I don't want to maintain anything. So here you can see maintain. Here, if you want to maintain data source or if you want to maintain structure, you can go here. Okay, so I don't want to touch anything. So already it is in green. So all required fields are available. I don't want to touch this one. Okay, we'll see. By default, Q delta would be there. Okay, here delete the setup tables. Done. Fill the setup tables. Done. Check whether it is working or not in RS3 level. Fine. And replicate the data source into BW. Yes, need to replicate now. So this is the data source. RSDST code. And what is our source system name? 1909, right? We are replicating the data from this system, right? S4 HANA 1909. I can see only this one. I don't see that one. Okay, let me give this one. Replicate. See, now you can see in the bottom. See, replicated. Data source replicated. Now go to RSA1. Go to RSA1. Left side under the model. So after getting the job, same steps you need to follow. Under the modeling, find, search for your data source. See here, T90. Okay, T90, fine. Okay. Now right click, manage. So whatever we have data, all are I'm going to delete it. Select, I'm deleting everything. I'm deleting everything. Okay, now what is the steps we need to follow? Okay, replicate the data source. Okay, next create the info package on top of data source. How we will create? Right click on this, create info package. So I'm giving like now init, initialization. I'm giving initialization with the data transfer. Like this I will do. Okay, in the real time I will give only init. So like this is given. Okay, you can see here full update delta, initialization delta process, all these things will come. So very first time what you will do, select this option. See here, you need to go installation option. Somebody already did it 4th January. So we need to delete it. Okay, I deleted. Okay. So now I can see this option. So very first time you need to follow this option and execute it. So now you can go and check it. Nothing will be there here. There is no insulation. Okay. Once I click on, once I click on, here you can go. So how many records will come, we'll see. See, initialize delta process. But this is 1909, I'm not sure, system name. So this is BW and HANA. We'll see in the BW4 HANA also same activity. Same activity we will do in the source system as well. Okay. And okay. So here we having only this system connection. So I don't, whatever you can see, these systems, I don't see it. Okay, we don't see it. We fill the setup tables in 1909, but here showing different system. Here it is showing different system. I'm not sure records coming or not. Okay, fine. This is the way you need to follow. Okay. In the BW4 HANA, I will perform the same activity. Okay. How do you go in the BW4 HANA? We'll see. Once you get the data into BW, then you need to start the modeling BW side. Like how you will do it in the BW side. So for example, you got the record, ninth steps completed. And okay, so 10th steps also completed. Very first time we are selecting the initialization with data transfer. And the last step is we will have to schedule the with jobs. That is fine. That is ECC, not BW. Okay. So in BW4 HANA, they will give many options. How we will go BW4 HANA? We need to click on SAP HANA Studio because there is no connection in BW and HANA from S4 HANA to this system. I'm trying to explain you this system. This system to BW on HANA, there is no connection. So that is the way I'm going to BW4 HANA. So we fill the setup tables here. Remember this option, this here only. I logged in only the system. Under the data sources, you can see here. What is our system? I don't see. Okay, let me check. whatever data source name, VA item. Here also having 1909 only. Okay, there is no connection 190 this one. Okay, let me check. Okay, they didn't create many connections. Only they given flat file and this system. Okay. Then in that case, I need to fill into the system. Okay. So I'm deleting in old system. So in the real time, we will not have this many systems. Okay. So we will not face like this issue. This is dummy system. They given many systems, but in the BW they given only one connection. Yeah, so we'll see now. It's running. Do we have records? We'll check in. We have records, but it is taking time. Okay, there is a issue. Okay, it is in inactive mode. Let me activate it. So sometimes no, if you don't keep active mode, then it will not fill it. Okay, then we need to delete it. And we'll stop this one. Okay, I'm stopping this job. Okay. Okay, I'm filling setup tables. Really? Yeah, here it is running. Yeah. Now we'll see into SQL. Now we are getting recursive. Now we are so wait for 2-3 minutes so that it will complete. You can see increasing the records. Every attempt we can see increasing the records because setup tables are running in the backend. Here it is running.